Hi guys, this is Hunter357 and today we're going to review this snorkeling mask by If Love in Amazon, and you can see the link below if you want to order it. And so this is what I got out of the shipping box. So what I got is I got this free cell phone case holder thingy, so your phone won't get wet. And then this is the mask and the GoPro screw, because you can put a GoPro in it, and it's in a bag here. So I'm gonna open it up and see how it looks like. Okay, so out of the bag, this is what we got. Here's the mask itself, and this is the attachment that you put in the mask, like that. And then this is the GoPro attachment, and we have a user manual here. So we're gonna go to the pool and then we're gonna try it out and we're gonna see how it looks like. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're testing it out here on the pool and everything is set. It's easy to use. I got everything set up. Let's go. And upon diving in, I can really breathe and all that, and it's very clear. I know in the video it looks there's like water in the mask, but not really. I didn't even recognize that while I'm there.
Alright, so that was it. I mean, it works and all that. Again, you can attach your GoPro on this one. So if you're going snorkeling, scuba diving or anything like that, just snorkeling, you can use this one. Alright, find it on the link below, and thank you for watching.